Welcome to the informational video series for the ShopBot desktop CNC tools. Let's jump right into the information. Here are the tool specifications for the desktop 24x18 model. Feel free to pause to review any of these particular sections. And here's the information for the desktop Max 36x24 model. Both tools have nearly identical features, apart from their size, of course, but also the Max does not retail with a router cutting head option. The supplied software and compatible software packages are also identical, and the only software needed are a design software, like the included VCarve Pro software, and a control software, which is the ShopBot 3 software. Our final bit of information is a list of some of the different materials commonly machined on the desktop CNCs.